If your skin is getting more oily no matter what you try, then you're probably making one of these 3 mistakes. Mistake number 2 is one I see all the time in my spa with my clients, and it sabotages everything. So let's fix them, right? In the last video, I taught you how to double cleanse correctly. That's your quick win. But if you're making one of these 3 mistakes, even the double cleanse won't save your skin entirely. These things keep your skin stuck in that oily skin cycle. So let's go through it one by one. Mistake number 1, using a high foam stripping cleanser. That squeaky clean feeling, that's not clean, that's stripped skin. High foam cleansers usually contain sulfates. They're not horrible, but in this case, they're not good for your skin either. They destroy your natural moisture barrier and your pH balance. Your skin immediately goes into that panic mode. We need oil right now. And the result is that you're more oily within hours. What to do instead? Look for a gentle, low foam cleanser. Gentle does not mean ineffective. It means you're cleansing without damaging your moisture barrier. Your skin should feel clean, not tight afterwards. Mistake 2, not moisturizing or hydrating your skin. A lot of times I hear people say, my skin's already oily. Why would I add more moisture to it? The truth is, oil doesn't mean hydrated. Hydrated skin is different than moisturized skin. Quick lesson, hydrated is water and moisturized is oil. So in this case, we want to add more hydration to the skin. So look for things like a gel or a lightweight moisturizer. We call them moisturizers as like an overarching word in the industry, but you're looking for those ingredients that are lightweight, oil-free, that can add that moisture, water, hydration back into the skin, and then we'll occlude it with your own natural oils. Number 3, harsh astringents and scrubs. The problem? Alcohol-based harsh astringents, daily physical scrubs, weekly chemical peels that are not at the level that's appropriate for your skin. Those things are not controlling your oil or deep cleaning your pores. They're actually creating micro tears or destroying your moisture barrier, triggering inflammation, which just starts that vicious cycle all over again, producing more oil to protect itself. What to do instead? Ditch the harsh astringents, ditch the physical scrubs. If you're going to use one once a week max, use more gentle exfoliating measures, and we'll talk about that in our next video. But we're going to switch to a chemical exfoliation that's more gentle, effective, and will not mess with your moisture barrier. All right, so putting it all together, notice a pattern? All 3 of these things have the same root. They attack the skin instead of support it. When your skin feels safe and balanced, it regulates itself. Everything goes into equilibrium, and then it's just a daily maintenance. This is why everything you've tried isn't working. You've been fighting your own skin. Comment for me below which one of those 3 hits home for you the most. So now that you know what not to do, you're ready to take on the solution, right? In my next video, I'm introducing the Lunix Oily Skin Blueprint, the exact professional facial that I use with my clients. It's step-by-step routine that can take everything that we've learned, everything we've covered, puts it into an action that you can do at home. A 40-minute facial that will teach you how to manage your oily skin like a pro and what products to use to do that. If you've been waiting for the what to do part, that's next. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see that video next week.